Okay, so before we get started on entering text, I just kind of want to review the different parts of Microsoft Excel. So like any other Microsoft product, up here is the ribbon. We've got different types of tabs like File, which will save, open, print the spreadsheet, the Home tab, the Insert tab, Page Layout, Formulas, which we'll be using later, Data, Review, View, and Help. Okay. In addition, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. This means that we're going to be creating spreadsheets rather than documents. So this isn't something you're going to be using to create reports or resumes or cover letters or research papers. You're going to be looking at financial analysis. For example, like what we're going to be doing now is you're going to be doing it for a personal budget worksheet. As well, you could also do it for like a loan analysis. Like I said before, I use it to calculate the average of different test scores to look at test averages. So you can really use Excel with pretty much anything as far as analyzing data. So in this workbook here, we've got worksheets within the workbook. Each sheet has its own purpose. So for example, when we create this this workbook, I could have this worksheet. I could have on this worksheet, I could have a personal budget worksheet, and then on another tab, we'll have another worksheet with the chart. You also will notice that you've got different boxes here. These are called cells, and you've got columns from A to well, for a while, and then you've got rows 1, 2, and for a while. So an intersection between a row and a column is called a cell. So when I tell you to put something in there, you're going to put it in a specific cell. So that is pretty much this is what Excel looks like. You'll be using formulas in Excel, which is something that Word and PowerPoint do not have because we're analyzing and manipulating data. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the assignment.